should you go ahead and upgrade from a off-the-shelf tune over to a custom tune, something in the sense of jumping from APR off-the-shelf over to a Cobb custom tune? Should you go ahead and do it? This is the question I've been getting asked a lot about recently, so I decided I'll just go ahead and make a video about it, just kind of clear up some of the confusion and help you guys out. Now my camera battery is dying pretty quick, so I'm going to make this video short. Two main things I'm going to cover: why you should not switch over, why you should just keep your off-the-shelf tune or just get an off-the-shelf tune, versus why, on the flip side, why you should get it and the benefits of that. So let's get right into that. This is Jules.mk7 if you don't know. I'm usually driving the Mark 7 GTI, but for this video I'm going to be in the Mercedes. So not the point, let's get right into the video. Alright, so first things first, price. If price is your main concern, then you might be better off with an off-the-shelf tune, just because it's a lot cheaper for the most part. Usually if you get like a Cobb, you have to get the access port, and then you also have to purchase the tune from the tuner, and then for you DSG guys out there, you also have to get a TCU tune. So upfront cost might be a little bit more versus just sticking with something like a APR, unitronic, etc, etc. So there's that. Second thing is warranty. I know some of you guys out there, you're a little bit hesitant to mod the car because you don't want to avoid the warranty. I was in that same situation. I did tons and tons of research about it. I decided I'll just throw the dice, and I haven't looked back since. But basically, if you're worried about warranty, you shouldn't be flashing the vehicle in the first place, because you're just gonna keep kicking yourself over it. There is an alternative, however, for those of you who still want to venture out and gain a little bit more power. You can just go ahead and get something like a JV4 tune, which is a Piggyback for those of you who don't know. Basically, you can run different maps on it depending on your power mods, but yet you're not increasing any like ignition timing and things like that. So it's a good way to kind of venture out, gain a little bit more power over stock, but without, you know, maximizing everything and throwing your warranty out the window. Again, it's a Piggyback, so it goes undetected. Third thing, you guys just want to go ahead and have simplicity. Have something that's easy to drive, not have to worry about all that other bullshit.
I'm on gas like BP. 5-hour session, got enough for EP. Touchdown on the west side.
Now on the flip side, here's why you should go ahead and switch over. Main thing obviously is power gains. If you're looking for max power, you want to maximize the power for the amount of mods that you have, definitely a Pro Tune can help you achieve that. It also is a lot smoother, I feel like. When you have a custom tune, it's tailored towards your car, so you can kind of take advantage of that whole aspect of that. Like for me, I'm sneaky tuned via Cobb, so power delivery is great when I get on it. It pulls really hard. Fast. And then when I just wanted to drive like a normal car around town, there's no jerky feeling. Again, it's just very smooth, especially with like a turbo, the way how it delivers. Cool. So first reason was power delivery and smoothness of the engine. Again, you want to maximize the power. Second thing on the list is monitoring the car. I don't know if you guys see my other videos, but I have the Cobb access port mounted right here on the left vent, and with that I can monitor everything that's going on with the vehicle. I can do data logs if I need to, and that's how I get the car tuned. It's a good thing to have, because if you want to see what's going on with the car, you can double check like the IATs, you can double check any knock counts just to make sure the car is running smooth and prevent any engine damage. If you can monitor that, you can see what's going on beforehand, or potentially prevent it if you can track that. Personally like it, and it's detachable, you don't have to keep it plugged in. Alright, and final reason why I believe you should go ahead and get a Cobb tune or Cobb access port over like a flash tuner is because you can just go ahead and change maps on the fly. Normally with like a flash tune, again, we'll use APR as the example. You go to the dealer, you flash it, and then again, you forget about it. It's kind of just there. But if you ever want to change maps, you kind of have to do the same process again, versus obviously with the access port, you have it plugged in and you can switch maps on the fly. So it just makes it a lot easier for you, especially if you're switching between ethanol maps and 91, or let's say if you have an ethanol map and there's no ethanol in your area, but you need to pump gas. Simple fix, switch back to 91 or pump gas, and then you're good to go. So there's limitations with flash tunes. The Cobb just kind of makes it a little bit more convenient because you have the device. You can monitor things, you can switch maps, and you can just get overall better power delivery and smoothness of the map, because the tune is tailored towards your car. obviously you need to have a good tuner. I myself, I'm sneaky tuned. The car pulls pretty damn hard, and it even surprises me sometimes. Well, that kind of concludes this video, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful, but I do want to hear what you think. Do you think you should go ahead and opt in and get like a flash tune, or just straight upgrade to Cobb? Let me know your reasons down below. I'll be reading all of the comments. And again, this is Jules.mk7 on IG. If you haven't followed me already, go ahead and check it out. It's a good way to see all the behind the scenes photos and videos. Go ahead and peep that. And yep, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Started out hustling with a couple of dollars. Now I'm on the pilot, and it's not a problem. Started out hustling with a couple of dollars.